Hello. What's going on? Ah, time to seek a new toy. See anything you like? You haven't played with an animal ball in a long time. Oh, little puppy. See, you're not even going to turn them on first? You're just going to throw them down the stairs. Well, we're about halfway. You want to get him?
Bye-bye.
Okay, I'll go get him. There you go. Want your puppy? He's a cute little guy. He's making noise, Dad. I better check him out. In you go, puppy.
Awful.
Oh, right out the cage. We gonna play? Here. Oh, we're not playing? You're taking him back in? Oh. I'll play too. Okay, maybe in a bit. Just came back from downstairs again. Do this all day sometimes. Puppy's finally gonna go for a little ride? Where are you there? Going downstairs. Again. Oh, only went down to the top stair. Puppy sounds happy.